You need a text editor. In this lesson, we're going to get you set up with a text editor if you don't have one already. Now, this is very, very simple. And honestly, if you're writing JavaScript, you should already have a text editor because you should know a little bit of HTML or a little bit of CSS. If you don't know HTML or CSS, please check out my HTML 101, 201 courses, or my CSS 101, 201, or 301 courses. I cover all of these in depth. And you're going to need to know these in order to work with JavaScript. Now, let's go ahead and move off of CodePen, and let's go ahead and download a text editor. I'm just going to type in download VS Code. Yep, leave. That's just from the last lesson. I can get rid of this developer tools in here. And I'm just using Google Chrome as my browser. It doesn't really matter which browser you use. Let's go ahead and click this. And if you're on Windows, download the Windows. If you're on Linux, download the right Linux one for you. If you are on Mac, download Mac. In this course, it does not matter what operating system you use. We're going to be writing JavaScript, and it works the same way across every operating system. Once you have that downloaded, make sure you install it. And once it's installed, make sure you open up VS Code. And it should look something like this. No. Something like this. Now, mine is a slightly different theme than yours. Yours is going to look, I believe it's a little more brown. I like mine a little bit more blue. It looks better in these videos for you. So there's higher contrast ratios. You can see things a little nicer. But effectively, this is the exact same program that you're going to have. Yours just has different coloring. Now, if you're wondering, hey, Caleb, I really like yours. How do I make my VS Code look like yours? I get this question probably a dozen times a day. You can go into View, Extensions, and that just opens up this extension area. And in your search, if you type material, and I'll just make that bigger, type in material, you'll see material theme. I'm using material theme 30, not 33. Go ahead and you can install that, and then you can set. So then you can go to set color theme, and you can have all these different ones in here. And you can see little previews if you just hit the down arrow. And the one I like to use is material theme ocean high contrast. High contrast just makes it a little darker. That's very bright, but high contrast. This is the one that I use. So if you want your VS Code to look exactly like mine, I'm using material theme with which color theme in here? I am using material theme ocean high contrast. So go ahead, get VS Code downloaded, installed. Feel free to do this extra stuff if you want to. If you're totally happy with how it looks, the way it looks when you install it, don't feel like you have to install this theme. I just know a lot of people are going to ask, so I'm jumping the gun and I'm getting a little bit ahead of that curve. Once you have VS Code installed, let's head on over to that next lesson where we learn about our own personal coding playgrounds.